Al Michelle.
Hi.
We're on the big wheel, and it's windy and rocky. I thought this was the rock and tug. Yeah. Clouds are cool up there. Looks nice. No rain though, so that's good. I wish I was sitting on the other side because just constantly seeing the water like that and the way it's moving is making me nauseous with the rocking. I'm dizzy. Al Michelle got a little tickle tummy coming down on there, huh? That's cool. Yeah, normally I know you don't like going backwards, so I apologize. We won't do that again. I don't like going up like this and looking at the water coming by, but like your view last time.
You're not looking backwards.
Oh, we're going into the water.
I'm dizzy.
Yeah, this is making
And I
me.
don't feel good.
Yeah, it's making me dizzy. So we're both getting it. Who knew that a Ferris wheel was an extreme thrill? But that's pretty cool though. I like it. Great new addition to the beach, to the park. And yeah.
Thanks.